Hey everybody, Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and we're hunting Model Ys. Come check it out. We've managed to capture the ever elusive Tesla Model Y. We've got it in the booth, and we're stealthing the whole thing. Stick around. If you've got one, you absolutely have to do this, or they're gonna kick you out of the Tesla Club. Think about it.
What's up, everybody? So behind me is the finished product, and we're kicking around names for what we're gonna call this thing. One of the guys kind of said it reminded them of the Darth Maul character in Star Wars, so that would make this the Darth Maul Y. Make that work somehow. If you take a look right here, we did something that I am lovingly referring to as the peekaboo style badge. The closer you get to the badge, the more you can notice there's actually a color under a color. Now what's cool about this is as you go around this car, you're gonna see the red accents everywhere. And subtle touches like this give you that custom feel. On the inside, you get in, and the very first thing you're gonna notice is the custom lighting. Now the lighting in here, to me, really makes the interior. On a dark or light color interior, that extra interior ambient light really gives you the ability to appreciate all the tiny Tesla details. Behind me is the coolest Tesla Model Y on the road in Central Florida. Now, if you'd like your vehicle to be the new coolest Tesla Model Y on the road, see us here at Empire Auto Spa. For more great content, make sure and follow the page, like the page, push the little dingy bell, and make sure that you're on top of everything that EAS is doing. We look forward to giving you much more awesome content.